What's the meaning of aggressive? Aggressive. 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 The term aggressive refers to a behavior or attitude that is forceful and can lead to confrontation or hostility. It is characterized by a willingness to take bold actions without consideration for the consequences, often with the intent to dominate or intimidate others. The results of aggressive behavior can vary widely, but may include increased stress or tension in social situations, physical violence, damage to relationships, legal penalties, or other negative outcomes. In general, aggressive behavior is not considered to be a healthy or productive way of interacting with others.